Tonight, concerns over Georgia's heartbeat law and what it means for women's health continue. That's the takeaway from a special hearing in Decatur today, run by Democratic Senator Jon Ossoff.
And our Liza Lucas was in the room today as doctors detailed difficulties they try to navigate in terms of the controversial law.
The public needs to hear from the doctors who are providing care every day what this is really doing to pregnant women in Georgia.
An OBGYN, a maternal fetal medicine specialist, and a first-year resident testified Tuesday, part of Senator Jon Ossoff's special subcommittee hearing, focusing on the impact of Georgia's 6-week abortion ban.
Putting laws on a system that is extremely volatile and changeable and not identifiable as yes, no, black, white, this is it, is only going to lead to tragedy.
Dr. Suchitra Chandrasekaran, Dr. Nisha Verma, and resident Dr. Asvarya Panakam spoke of the complexities of cases while voicing opposition to the Georgia law, which bans most abortions once a detectable human heartbeat is present, with few exceptions.
I've had patients that are turned away even though they're in the process of miscarrying, because that cardiac activity is still present and they're told you have to start bleeding more, you have to get sicker.
Legal gray area, the doctors say, fueling concerns of more providers leaving the state amid such restrictions. The three sharing the fear that Georgia's maternal mortality rates could also worsen as a result.
I thought it was very powerful to hear the stories that these doctors told about patients they've seen who have been unable to get the care they need to stay healthy during pregnancy.
The hearing centered on an issue set to play out further in the presidential race. Pro-life advocate Suzanne Guy among those who advocated for and continues to stand by Georgia's 6-week ban.
The very real problems that doctors face in treating women in complicated pregnancies and the problems that women face in complicated pregnancies will never be solved by ending the life of one of the patients.
Liza Lucas, 11 Alive News.
And it is an issue that continues to play out in headlines. An Iowa judge ruling today that that state's strict abortion law can now take effect. Iowa will now join more than a dozen states where abortion access has been sharply curbed in the 2 years since the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade.